Welcome back to Let's Clone. This is where I live now. I am no longer in Georgia. I am no longer bound to having to walk to a cafe that has since closed down to get modern internet access. I just haven't. I'm in Colorado, and I'm hanging out and living with some good friends, and I have internet access. Like every fucking day, all the time. I can just plug into it and beep boop, I'm in the future. It's pretty rad. I'm glad to be back. I have missed the hell out of this channel, and I'm so thankful to everyone who's been still watching and subscribing. But we passed 300, which is what I wanted to do a giveaway for. Now, I would have done this a while ago if coronavirus didn't take out my internet and it didn't take so long to move. We're gonna do this now. But really quick. First, this is what I'm living in. This is a boiler room. That's a big old water boiler. That's the thing that can blow up. That's me. And this is a little whiteboard cubby that I've built for this channel. Either way, here's the giveaway. Now that we have surpassed 300 subscribers, I'm going to give away a Windows or a Mac version of GameMaker Studios. It's a 1-year license valued at $40. You get to pick which one you want. If you already have one and you want to win the other one, you're eligible. If you have both and you'd like to win one as a gift, you're eligible. If you only have the free trial, you're eligible. If you don't want to use it, you're eligible. All you got to do is comment in this video and like this video and be subscribed to this channel. And just say which one you want, Windows or PC or either. Let me know. The only requirements is that I'm going to leave this up for 1 week. So I think today's the 1st. On the 8th, I'm going to check. And as long as we have at least 10 comments of people entering or submitting, then the giveaway will proceed. If we don't have 10 yet, we will just wait until we hit 10 and I'll just keep checking on it. So yeah, at least 10 of you want to get a copy, then 1 of you can get a copy. Let's get a copy. Let's clone. Goodbye. See you next time. Hopefully it's an actual tutorial. Who fucking knows?